We are studying muscle cells and how they repair themselves. So we have exercising participants that we take their blood from, and we isolate things called extracellular vesicles. These extracellular vesicles contain tiny pieces of RNA that signal other cells to do different things like grow or differentiate. So differentiation is just turning into a mature muscle fiber compared to a progenitor cell. So we treat our muscle cells in the lab with these extracellular vesicles, and then we measure how much they grow or how much they differentiate. So we found that they decrease growth, but the extracellular vesicles increase differentiation, which means that it just helps the muscle cells to grow larger and to turn into more muscle fibers. So this is applicable because people have things like muscular dystrophy, and if we can isolate the specific signals that normal, healthy people excrete when they are exercising to help repair their muscles, we may be able to help repair people's muscles when they can't repair them.